I'm Ria, and I've been serving coffee in Hollywood for years now. Today we're going to do 3 lattes with 3 different dairy alternatives. For the espresso part, we're going to be using Sir Alfred's Classic. It's a single origin Brazilian bean. I chose it because it has this chocolatey, nutty taste, and by knowing that, it'll help us differentiate between the different milks. Let's get started. So it should be about 17 grams for each espresso shot, ground fine, and it should time out to about 25 to 30 seconds per shot. Take a look at that awesome color, and it smells great too. Alright, first we're going to make an oat milk latte. Oat milk is actually my favorite personal milk. The reason why is because I'm from the Midwest, and a lot of times growing up with whole milk or 2% milk, you feel like you're always lacking something with your lattes because it's not as creamy, it's not as heavy as you're used to. When I froth it, it actually feels like the closest thing that I find to actually frothing with whole milk. So it actually turns out with a really nice texture. I would say that if it's something iced that you're looking for, it might be a little different. It might be something you have to try out for yourself because it is a little bit heavier. But with hot lattes, I think it's awesome. So I feel like the oat milk's really working for me. I feel like it's complementing the coffee and it's not overpowering it with its flavor, and I really like the consistency. And now we're gonna make an almond milk latte. So one of the good things with almond milk is that if you're a person that likes kind of that nutty combo with your coffee, this is going to be great for you. It does have like a strong flavor, which is really nice, and a lot of times it can really complement the coffee that you're drinking it with. Although it doesn't froth as well as oat milk or whole milk, so if you're a person that's really into foam, this might not be great for you. But if you are a person that likes kind of a lighter coffee drink, something that maybe is similar to like skim milk, this would be great. Also, I think it's really great complement for iced coffee drinks because it's a little bit lighter and it's a little smooth. So I feel like the almond milk actually really works with it because it's a nutty, chocolatey tasting coffee with a nutty milk, and it complements each other. Next, we're going to try hemp milk. Hemp is a great alternative. The only thing is it has a very specific taste. For some people, it might actually be a little bit distracting. It might be something that you find really complements the coffee, or maybe not. It does froth well, so it comes up with a great consistency, but I think it's something that you'd have to try for yourself. So I do like the hemp milk latte, but I do feel like I can taste the hemp milk, so it might be a little bit distracting and taking away from the coffee taste. So we have an oat milk latte, almond, and hemp. These are all just my opinions. Go to your favorite coffee shop or at home and try these out for yourself. Hopefully I gave you a good place to start, and then let us know in the comments below which one's your favorite. I'm going to finish this one up, and maybe this one and this one too. I'll see you next time.